Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an offer on a used car in the CarWale app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CarWale app, go to the used cars and search for cars. And after you found which one you like, below the car's name and next to the price, you can make an offer, and you can tap on make an offer. And so you can see here how much do you want to offer, and you have to select your offer, and here you can select your offer, let's say 4, and you can tap on submit. You have to write your name and the mobile number, and after you tap on submit and you made an offer. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.